Want Instagram to stop pulling phone contacts into your account? Here's a super quick guide to turn off contact syncing and clean things up. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right, then choose Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now, look for Account Center at the top. If you see it, tap it to open your account controls. Depending on your version, you may instead see just plain Settings. In that case, tap Settings and then choose Account. Both paths lead you to the same place, the controls where Instagram manages your contact syncing. From here, find and open Contact Syncing or Manage Contacts. Tap it to see your sync options. If contact syncing is on, toggle the switch off so Instagram stops uploading new contacts from your phone. To remove contacts that were already synced, tap Manage Contacts or remove all contacts if that option appears. Confirm that you want Instagram to delete those saved contacts from its servers. Turning off Contact Sync helps reduce data Instagram holds about your personal connections and improves your privacy. That's it. You've stopped Instagram from syncing your contacts and removed what was stored. Save this video so you can repeat these steps anytime.